Scientists at the University of Queensland have been part of a major discovery that could lead to new treatments for Alzheimer's disease. In joint research with the Harvard Medical School, they found that mitochondrial cells in dementia patients are much longer than normal, and that causes brain tissue to die.
For more than 100 years since Alice Alzheimer first identified the problem, it's been known that the brains of dementia patients are cluttered with tangles and clumps of two proteins, beta amyloid and tau. But exactly how they cause the devastating damage that we now know as Alzheimer's disease remained a mystery. Now, scientists at the Queensland Brain Institute and the Harvard Medical School are closing in on the cause, discovering the mitochondria subcells in Alzheimer's patients are much longer than in healthy brains.
Having elongated mitochondria also has functional consequences, so it causes a cell to die faster.
Seen here, clustered round the nucleus of a brain cell, the enlarged mitochondria become sluggish and move more slowly than normal. And crucially, they starve the cell of energy.
We're finally getting down to the very fine detail of what happens inside the cell.
Scientists found that the presence of the protein tau at toxic levels interrupts a mitochondria's constant process of fusing, then splitting again. But in the lab, when they shortened the mitochondria, they went back to being the brain cell's energizer.
By changing their size back to normal, it's possible to restore their function.
The last 2.5 years' research were an investigation of an incidental discovery.
It's totally by chance. They found, by observation, they found there was a change in the size of these mitochondria, and I thought, well, was that important to the process? And of course, it's turned out to be so.
280,000 Australians have Alzheimer's. By mid-century, that'll be around 1 million unless a cure is found. Scientists say it remains a complex puzzle, but now at least they have a new and vital clue. Karen Berkman, ABC News, Brisbane.